Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the mouse sensitivity in System Shock 2. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options, then we're going to select controls, so we'll go to the control tab, and here we have two options, mouse sensitivity and mouse sensitivity vertical scale. So you can adjust both of these options with the sliders. So mouse sensitivity is just normal mouse sensitivity, and the mouse sensitivity vertical scale is up and down. So the sensitivity of your up and down movements. So you can just adjust all of these sliders to whatever sensitivity that you want. And once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.